Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 4B, Existing Surface Profiles, Side Roads. This profile illustrates A. Default profile settings, B. Create side road existing ground profiles, C. Rename profiles, and D. Select appropriate profile views. The procedures for creating the existing surface profiles for side roads are very similar to those for the primary road. Change the default drawing object layer, settings, right-click the drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, profile, pick the current name, existing surf, okay. Profile labeling, pick the current name, existing surf text, okay. Change the default profile settings, right-click profile, edit feature settings, default styles, profile label set, profile no label set, profile style, pick the current name, existing ground, okay. Default name format, profile name template, pick the current name, alignment name, existing surf dash, remove TCFL, select offset value, insert, okay. Offset profile name template, pick the current name, remove existing flow line, and add existing surf. Okay. Create existing ground profiles for the side roads. Home ribbon, design panel, profile, create surface profile. Select 44 south, surface, existing surface with aerial. Station range, start to the end, pick add. A data line is displayed for the existing surface profile along the alignment. Sample offsets, yes. Enter 30, minus 30 for the right and left offsets. Add. 2 data lines are added. Dynamic is displayed in the update column, existing ground in the styles column. Do not pick the draw and profile view. The profile view has already been created. Okay. Clear actions. Clear all events. Close panorama. The centerline right and left existing ground profiles are displayed in all 3 profile views. The profile names need to be modified to easily distinguish between the different profiles. Pick a profile. In the Properties palette, pick the name. The current name displays an offset value of 0. Remove the offset value and add CL for the centerline. Repeat for the other profiles. Pick the name, delete minus 30, and enter LT, enter, escape, pick the name, minus 30, that one is left, and the other one was right. Enter, repick the other one, right, enter. Okay. Use Prospector to select the appropriate profile to be displayed in each profile view. Prospector, alignments, centerline alignments, 44 south, profile views, right-click 44 south centerline, properties, profiles column, remove the right and the left profile view. The minus 30 needs to be changed. Apply, okay. In the profiles, right-click minus 30, properties, remove minus 30, and add left. Apply, OK. In the left centerline profile view, properties, remove the centerline and the right profile, apply, OK. In the right profile view, Properties, remove center line and left. Apply, OK. For this video, the existing surface profiles for all side roads have been created and are shown. The existing ditch profiles for the side roads were not created as they were for the primary road. They may be created if so desired using the procedures as set forth in the creation of the existing surface profiles for the primary road. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.